In this video, we are going to learn how to list directory in Linux. So first of all, I have already entered in the etc directory using this command cd/etc, because it is the biggest directory in the Linux. And here we can see various kind of file like D stand for directory and hyphen stand for file. And if you want to, list all the directories, you have to use some filter. So you can use this command ls-l/grep and d. So it will output only the directories, like you can see here in the D. And if you want only to print the name of the directory, you can use this command ls-l grep d awk print $nf. So awk is the program, and nf stand for print. $nf stand for print only the last column of the output that is derived from the grep d. So when you press enter, so it will only give you the directory list. Now the output you have seen before with this command. Thanks for watching.